What if I told you Google isn't just changing search, it's redefining the entire internet experience? AI agents that think for you, glasses that replace your phone, and maybe, just maybe, Google Chrome being sold off? Yeah, you heard that right. Stick around, because what Sundar Pichai just revealed could completely shift how we interact with the digital world. Google's CEO Sundar Pichai has been mostly reserved in the public AI arms race, until now. In a rare deep dive interview, he broke down everything, from their bold AI vision, to threats of being forced to sell Chrome, to the battle between web publishers and Google's growing AI footprint. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Pichai says this isn't just another tech shift. It's the start of an entirely new internet era and how it could directly impact your life. Let's dive in. This is the most profound platform shift of our lifetimes. That's a direct quote from Pichai. But what does that actually mean? Let's rewind. For years, Google's been pouring money, we're talking billions, into AI research, but the results were mostly behind the scenes. Now, they're finally pushing those results into the hands of users. From text diffusion models to world models, which allow AI to simulate how real-world environments behave, Google isn't just playing catch-up with OpenAI or Anthropic, they're trying to leapfrog them. These models are being embedded into products at scale. Think Google Search, Docs, Gmail, even Chrome itself. And for the first time in a while, you can feel it. Google has swagger again. Here's where things get wild. Pichai calls this phase self-improving platforms. Imagine an AI that not only completes your emails, but can build entire apps, then optimize itself based on feedback. This is what he calls vibe coding. Yeah, we're naming AI capabilities like DJ tracks now. It's like telling an AI, I want a chill productivity app that feels like Notion but looks like Pinterest. And it builds the first draft. Think Midjourney for software. And we're not just talking code. Multimodal AI, which understands text, images, audio, even video, is going to let people with zero tech background create tools from scratch. We're talking a TikTok generation of developers, not with code, but with vibes. Drop an emoji in the comments if that blew your mind a little. Google's investing tens of billions into AI. So when does it pay off? When asked, Pichai brought up a surprising example, Gmail. It started as just a free email tool. Over time, it evolved into Google Workspace, which now generates serious revenue through business subscriptions. He sees AI the same way. Not a direct product, but a layer that improves everything. From search to ads to cloud to even Waymo, Google's self-driving car unit, AI is horizontally scaling across every Google product. It's not a one-time return. It's compounding, month over month, year over year. And don't forget, they own the ad rails of the web. The more personalized and helpful their AI, the more valuable every search becomes. Smart, right? But here's where things get even more sci-fi. Remember Google Glass? Yeah, that awkward little headset no one wanted? Well, it's back, sort of. This time, Pichai says they're working with Gentle Monster and Warby Parker to make Android-based XR glasses that are actually wearable. Developers will start getting their hands on them this year, with millions of people expected to try them in 2026. But don't expect iPhone-level replacement just yet. Pichai admits, face-worn devices are tricky. People are picky about what goes on their faces. Function and fashion both matter. Still, imagine walking down the street and your glasses overlay restaurant reviews, calendar alerts, and real-time translations without touching a screen. Is it the future? Maybe. But Google wants to be first again. This one's controversial. News publishers are furious about Google's new AI overviews, those little summaries at the top of search results that don't require clicking a website. The News Media Alliance says it's gutting traffic, but Pichai pushes back. He claims that despite the rise of AI summaries, web traffic is actually growing, with a 45% increase in crawlable pages over the past 2 years. He argues that AI overviews increase the quality of referrals, even if some publishers see fewer clicks. So it's not about stealing, it's about evolving. The web isn't just static articles anymore. It's becoming dynamic and format fluid. Still, one question lingers. Can you trust Google not to favor its own content? Pichai insists yes. He says Google's editorial policy is untouchable. Not even he can manipulate individual rankings or responses. You buying that? Let us know in the comments below. Now this is next level. According to Pichai, the future of the web isn't humans browsing sites, it's agents browsing for us. Imagine telling your AI assistant, plan a 3-day trip to Tokyo on a $1,500 budget. Prioritize food and culture. And in seconds, it builds your full itinerary, books your hotels, compares prices, all without you ever opening a browser tab. Google calls this the agent-first web. Pichai compares it to a restaurant that serves dine-in and takeout. Humans are dine-in, agents? They're takeout specialists. This changes how sites are designed, how data is formatted, and even how ads work. Wild times ahead. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Regulators. Specifically, the idea that Google might have to sell Chrome to reduce its search monopoly. So is it happening? Pichai didn't say no, but he did defend Chrome fiercely, pointing to open-source Chromium, which powers browsers like Brave, Microsoft Edge, and more. He says Chrome is the web's engine room. Without it, the modern internet wouldn't exist the way it does. Still, regulators argue that Google uses Chrome to lock in default search and track data across the web. If the courts rule against Google, a Chrome divestiture could be historic. But Pichai was clear. Even if that happens, Google's investing in the future no matter what. The AI race isn't stopping. Hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps way more than you think and tells YouTube this video is worth watching. And drop a comment. Do you trust AI overviews, or are you clicking straight past them? Let's talk. Pichai's not just defending Google's past. He's laying out a massive vision for its future. From AI agents replacing browsers, to AR glasses replacing phones, to possibly Chrome no longer being a Google product. One thing's for sure, the way we use the internet is about to change forever. So stay curious, stay skeptical, and most importantly, stay informed. Want more AI updates from big tech CEOs? Click here for our breakdown of Elon Musk's insane plan to kill the App Store. Or binge the full playlist on AI and the future of the web. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.